Hi everybody, it's Steve here. This is going to be my Mid Tower unboxing. This is the DIYPC. I assume it's the do-it-yourself PC. It's the D480-W, which stands for white. It's a pretty cool tower. Right off the bat, it comes with a visual glass that you can see through the inside. Comes with a 120mm blue LED fan. Comes with a spot in the bottom to put this power supply. It actually has fan filters, fan headers, so it will actually run your fans. It even has USB 3 headers. It's a good sized tower. I want to think that that's a filter, but I can't seem to get that one off. And then down on the bottom, this is also filter for your power supply, PSU. I wasn't really happy about how the colors don't match together, but that's not a deal breaker for me. It's all about performance. Let's get the side pieces off. Set them out of the way. So here's the back side. This is where your PSU goes. This is where you can put your solid state hard drive. This is where your 2 hard drives go. You can even put solid state drives in it. As you can see, I've already done cable management. Right here, this is the actual fan headers. There's 2 of them that come with the tower. Now it comes with 2 blue LEDs in front. And 1 blue LED fan in the back. Let's dismount this. Get a better view. So what we have here so you can see right there, those are the 2 LED fans up front. That blue little connector is the USB 3 header for the motherboard. There's a blue LED in the back. And then up in the top, there's 2 120mm fans that are just regular, they're not blue. That is the fan header on the right side of it. I'm pretty happy with this tower. It has plenty of space up here in the front area where you notice it does not have any actual racks. This is the only rack for the actual CD drives on the top, so this can actually hold a very huge graphics card. Alright, I'm trying to get this video out as soon as I can, just so I can do my motherboard video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I will see you on the next one.